It's the latest effort to curb COVID outbreaks at workplaces. In Toronto and Peel region, businesses with multiple COVID cases can be temporarily closed down.
Threshold will be 5 lab-confirmed cases of COVID-19 that are either reasonably thought to be acquired within the workplace.
Peel's medical officer moved first. Toronto quickly followed, using Section 22 of the Health Protection and Promotion Act. It gives medical officers of health the power to order the closures.
The way things are going right now, I think it's the best bet.
We really need to get ahead of these variants by closing, investigating.
I support Dr. Lowe in the decision that he's made to ensure that those workplaces, those factories, those warehouses where there are 5 linked cases of COVID closed down.
Amazon in Brampton was ordered closed earlier this year after an outbreak. There's been 600 cases at one of its facilities since October. The Gateway Postal plant in Mississauga also had problems. The law requires businesses to be upfront about cases.
They do have an obligation to disclose to public health the number of employees who have contracted the virus.
If they don't disclose,
can be fined up to $5,000 a day for each day that they refuse to not comply with the government directive.
There are exceptions, those deemed essential, including healthcare and emergency childcare.
I've asked the province to review the list of essential businesses that are open for some time to ensure that they are essential. And at this time, during a stay-home lockdown, I think that that list could be pared down.
I wouldn't want my job to close down.
People like that woman worried that she will lose paychecks if the business she works for happens to be closed. Dr. Lawrence Lowe asking businesses to continue to pay employees if they're in that situation. One other point, as we saw with that gym that was ordered closed last week, it's one thing to legislate something. Enforcement is quite something else.